Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can use a promo code on Prizepicks, and it's really easy and simple, guys. So there's two ways. One is on sign up. So when you're signing up, when you're creating an account to Prizepicks, they'll ask you to enter your email, and then the next thing, guys, they ask you to enter is this is optional. If you have a promo code, they ask you to enter this on your sign up so you can claim your limited time offer. Otherwise, guys, if you already created an account, what you can do is if you have received an email, maybe a promo code via email or push notification after you're actually doing your first initial deposit, you can redeem it by sending it into live support. And if live support basically confirms that you're eligible, they will apply the promotion to your account. Okay? And it's that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it does, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. I'll see you in the next one.